I believe I got sick 2 months ago.
There are only a few moments of me getting sick.
Rarely, but yeah, a few times.
Last Friday. Last week. A few days ago.
No one. I simply slept and had my parents watch over my daughter while I was resting.
My husband took care of me, and since we don't have a household helper, he also took over the household chores while I was on bed rest.
It was my husband who took care of me.
My mommy. Mommy!
Last New Year's Day.
Well, I have 3 children and they have different moments of when they last had tummy troubles.
She just recently recovered. Kids are generally playful, and when they are exposed, they become susceptible.
I think it's part of them growing up because they also build their defenses along the way.
Kids are naturally explorers, so when they go and play around, they get exposed to different bacteria.
Well, just really rest. I make her peanut butter sandwiches and crackers, and I give her Ursiflora Probi Bears. We also use calamine lotion and any specialized other medicines if needed. Oh, and a sports drink for electrolytes.
When my child has tummy aches, we allow her to eat crackers in small portions.
Organic medication helped me a lot.
To stay healthy, our family ensures balanced diet. We make sure our kids and us eat a lot of vegetables.
We eat vegetables, and even Z loves vegetables, and we're also into organic and natural food. And just recently, we started doing home workout again.
I try to go to the gym and eat salads more often. My daughter, while she's who she is surprisingly very active. I wish we would eat healthier though.
Oh, my children love probiotic drinks, right?
Yes, we stock up probiotic drinks at home.
I have never used probiotics, still searching for the right one. I used to drink a probiotic drink occasionally, but stopped when I found out about its sugar content. My daughter takes Ursiflora Probi Bears.
Probiotics are good bacteria. They fight the bad bacteria inside our tummy para hindi mag-ouchy and magsasag yung tummy, and it will protect Z-Boy's tummy from tummy aches.
Probiotics can help make our tummy healthier by aiding the enhancement of natural resistance to intestinal infections. It's also a good aid in digestion.
I can tell my child that probiotics are good bacteria that help improve digestion. Yes, I believe it is important to instill good health habits to our children because, you know, our bodies are gifts from God, and as stewards of this gift, we have to make sure we only do what's good for it. So we tell our kids that living a healthy life is actually glorifying to God, and it allows us to live a life in full.
Yes, I believe that being healthy and instilling good eating habits to our children is important. The Lord has blessed us with one body, and we should be good stewards of it. And the saying is indeed true that health is wealth. And as a family, we should be intentional in teaching good eating habits, living an active lifestyle. Those are values that our children can cut from us parents every day.
I believe it is important to teach your child to be healthy because it will give her a better quality of life. It will give her a stronger heart, more energy, and more years to live.